you facing verification issues on Epic Games after multiple failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you're checking the correct email account associated with your Epic Games account. Look for any verification emails and check your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the verification email, go to the Epic Games login page and select the option to resend the verification email. Make sure to wait a few minutes for it to arrive. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause problems with verification. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the verification process works. Step 4. Use a different browser or device. If clearing the cache doesn't help, try using a different web browser or device to log into your Epic Games account. This can help bypass any browser-specific issues. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If all else fails, reach out to Epic Games Support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you received, to expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Epic Games. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.